This video is about the Amzfast 49-inch curved monitor, and it's honestly one of those products that feels worth buying the moment you see what it offers. If you are curious about the latest price of this monitor, you can check it out from the link in the description below. The Amzfast 49-inch is built for people who want a single screen that replaces a dual monitor setup without the messy cables or bezels in between. Its massive Dual QHD resolution and 32:9 aspect ratio make work, gaming, and content consumption feel incredibly smooth and spacious. The 1500R curve pulls you into the center of the screen, making maps easier to read, timelines wider to edit, and movies more immersive. For gamers especially, the combination of 120Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond MPRT response time delivers quick, responsive, and fluid movement with adaptive sync, keeping everything tear-free. But what really stands out is the color performance. With 120% sRGB, HDR10, and strong contrast, the visuals stay crisp and punchy whether you're gaming, watching, or designing. Eye care features also help a lot during long sessions, something many monitors tend to overlook. It's genuinely comfortable for extended use. The PIP and PBP multitasking features are perfect for people who work with multiple inputs, editing on one side, monitoring data on the other, or streaming while gaming without switching screens. On the practical side, the flexibility is solid. Height adjustability, tilt, rotation, and multiple HDMI 2.0 and DP 1.4 ports mean it fits easily into any setup. The only small downside is that you'll want a decent amount of desk space, but that's expected for a 49-inch ultra-wide. If you want to upgrade your setup with something that boosts productivity and gaming at the same time, definitely check out the link in the description below. You won't want to miss the deal.